In the name of Allah, who's the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear viewers, welcome to English with Kamran and Sophie. Today we are going to talk about very important topic, and that is based on grammar, and that is related to the use of first form of the verb. I have found in my teaching experience that most of the people do make mistakes in this structure while writing or speaking. So let's have a look how to use the present simple tense and how to use the first form in it. The first form has got two shapes. We got two shapes of it. One is without s or es, that is the first form, and the other is with s or es. For example, if I say take or if I say takes. We use these forms for different purposes. First of all, we use it for routine of action. If we describe an action which takes place in our routine, we use the first form or s or es with it. Or we describe a habit. Habit is, in other words, is also the form of routine. We describe the routine, or we mention the universal truth. So if we describe routine of action, for example, I take rest. Or if I describe my habit, for example, I play tennis. Or if I describe any universal truth, the sun rises from the east. All of them, you will see there are the first forms, either S form or ES form. Now the question comes, when to use S or ES and when not to use S or ES. It all depends on the performer we use. There is a list of performers. If at the place of subject we have a performer, I or we or you, they, or plural names, just like students, we use S or ES without the verb. S or ES will not be used, just like I write a letter, we play tennis, you ask question, they repair the mobile, the students take the classes. As far as its S or ES form is concerned, we use when our performer is either he or she or it or singular name. If we use he, just like he walks, she tries, it walks, Ali writes a letter. So you say walks, writes, takes, plays. They are used when he, she, its singular name is there. They are used in the positive sentences. I have also mentioned how to make the negative sentences of them. Negative sentences are made. For the positive, we use first form with I, we, you, they, and plural name. And when we make the negative, we bring helping verb do not. And then base form is used. I play cricket. I do not play cricket. When we come towards the use of S or ES in the positive, and its negative made by using does not and then the base form. When does is used once, then S or ES will not be used with the verb. S or ES used with the first form whenever it is positive sentence. From making the negative sentence, or when we use does, then S or ES will not be used. Just like she plays cricket, she does not play cricket. He comes to me, he does not come to me. Dear viewers, now let's come towards the examples. As we have got that in the subject, when I, we, you, they, and plural names are used, we use first form with the verb. Just like I take rest, there is no S or ES. And in order to make negative, we use do not, just like I do not take rest at 4 o'clock. When we use the subject as he, she, it, or singular name, we, in the positive sentence, do not use only first form of the verb. Rather, we have to attach S or ES, just like she takes rest at 4 o'clock. And in the example for the negative sentence, she does not take rest at 4 o'clock. Now we come towards, we know that S or ES both are used for the subject he, she, its singular name. But when ES is used or when S is used, whenever the verb ends with double S or X or CH or the SH or O, we add es, for example, cross and crosses, acts, just like waxes, teaches, brush, brushes, go, goes. Now there are two more examples. There is the word play. Y is at the end of this verb, and I want to attach s or es. Only s will be used, not es, because y does not belong to this list. Second example, walk. Here it ends with ka, so we will attach s only. He walks, not es, because k is not in this list. Hopefully you have understood the main points of present simple tense. Dear viewers, subscribe my channel, share it and like it, and hit the bell icon so that you can have many more videos based on English language, grammar and pronunciation. Thank you very much. That's all.